Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Keep right. Continue straight. There's a way to cut your dishwashing time by 50%. Try Dawn Power Wash Dish Spray. It removes 99% of grease and grime in half the time. It cleans so well, you can replace multiple cleaning products. Try Dawn Power Wash.
What if my type 2 diabetes takes over? What if all I do isn't enough? Or what if I can do diabetes differently? Now you can with once weekly Mounjaro. Mounjaro helps your body regulate blood sugar. And Mounjaro can help decrease how much food you eat. 3 out of 4 people reach...
I feel bad. This song makes me feel funny.
Bro! Jeez.
Oh, damn.
Yes, you do. Oh my gosh.
What the f is this asshole doing?
Oh shit!
What a moron. What was that?
Oh my god, yesterday? Jesus.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, yes.
Oh, dude.
Very insensitive. Jesus. But I think most people are like you in that they don't seem to notice or think about it. Don't I know it?
It's my right away.
Car, and then I want to. Oh, fuck my guy?
I didn't know it was his turn.
It wasn't. Dumbass truck drivers.
International Institute for Strategic Studies said spending rose 9% to $2.2 trillion last.
How is your house there?
My house is very small. Moron.
Manual recording.
Outside of that, he can't do anything at all. Then again, that begs the question of who the hell is running this country? Okay, I think we all know it's Jill, right? Jill Biden along with Obama, okay? I think that is a combination of them two, and then throw crackhead Hunter in there.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.